All right, it is Monday, September 5th, 2022. The Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series artwork 52 memorial to slain Italian photojournalist RaffaeleCiriello is completed. I'm going to wait to frame it till after I get a new camera card for my digital camera. I'm using an iPod right now. So I'm just going to go clockwise, starting at lower right. There are 5 insects in here that I depicted in addition to the allegorical sea monsters. So I'll point out the other insects. There's one there. There's another one there. I think I got that one. That's not an insect, it's a sea monster. All right, there you have it.